Science alert. Math Genius has come up with widely simple way to solve quadratic equations. If you studied algebra in high school or you are learning it right now, there is a good chance you are familiar with the quadratic formula. If not, it is possible. By this point, billions of us had to learn, memorize, and implement this unwidely algorithm in order to solve quadratic equation. But according to mathematician Potion Low, Carnegie Mellon University, there is actually been easier and better way along, although it's remained almost entirely hidden for thousands of years. In 2019 research paper, Low celebrated the quadratic formula as a remarkable triumph of early mathematicians dating back to the beginnings of the Old Babylonian period 2000 BC. The root must be. It is unfortunate that for billions of people worldwide, the quadratic formula also, for their first and perhaps only experience of rather complicated formula, which they must memorize. Lou writes that address tasks performed by approximately 4 millennia worth of math students, no less, may not have been entirely necessary. As it happens, of course, there is always have been alternative to the quadratic formula, such as factoring, completing the square, or even breaking out of the graph paper. But the quadratic formula is generally regarded as the most comprehensive and reliable method for solving quadratic problems. Even if it is inscrutable, so this formula is x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 2ac b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. That formula can be used to solve standard form of quadratic equation. In September 2019, Lou was brainstorming the mathematics behind quadratic equation when we struck upon a new simplified way of deriving the same formula, an alternative method which we describe is paper. I was dumbfounded, Lou says, of the discovery. How can it be that I have never seen this before, and I have never seen this in any textbook? In Lou's new method, he starts from the standard method of trying to factor the quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c as x minus in second bracket x minus, which amount to be looking for numbers to be put in the blanks with sum minus b and product c. The sum of two number is 2 when their average is 1. Lou explains on his website. So we can try to look for numbers that are 1 plus some amount, and in Lou's paper he admits he would be very 1 plus some amount and 1 plus 1 minus in the same amount. All we need to do to find there exists such that 1 plus u and 1 minus u. So in Lou's paper he admits he would be very surprised if this approach has entirely eluded human discovery until the present day, given 4,000 years of history on this topic. But says the alternative technique, which combines top pioneered by Babylonian, Greek, and French mathematicians, is certainly not widely taught or known. The author could find no evidence of it in English sources. However, since first sharing his preprint paper describing the simple proof online in October, Lou says his attention has been drawn to a 1989 research article that is the most similar previous work he has found. going somewhere to justify disable in his alternative method had been identified before now. In other work overlapped in almost all calculation with apparent logical difference in assuming that every quadratic can be factor and pre-logical difference in choice of sign. Now, not to mention of course that it might just mean that nobody need ever again memorize the quadratic formula. We still don't know how this escape water notice for millennia. But if those instincts are right, maths textbook could be on the verge of historic writing. And we don't take textbook changing discoveries. I wanted to share it. The research paper is available at preprint website arxiv.org and you can read Poisson-Law's generalized explanation of simple proof here.